orange color is the color of warm, and for knowing each other so long, right, I feel closer and closer throughout the years that we grow together. And for all the contractors, suppliers that have been together with us, there are more years to come, and I feel closer to you all, not just as a working colleague, but as friends now.
要我每个身边的不只是我的 designer， 我的 contractor 生意兴隆，开开心心，家庭幸福。Not only prospers in your business, and I also hope that we double the prospers with your family and your loved one in 2025.
Woo! Voilà!